Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kamsahamnida. Today I want to do grilled Korea chicken. This is a white chicken, about 1.5 kilos. It's just small enough for one family. Okay, firstly we have to butterfly it. Okay, we flip it over here. The breast here, you see the breast, very nice. Okay, we will cut into half of this, like this, slowly. Be careful your hand. Slowly, very slowly. We want to take out the inner part. Okay, and we do the process of washing also. Okay, this one we pull it slowly. Sharp knife, very sharp knife. Okay, very sharp knife. Okay, like this. Like this. Okay, then you can see the inner part is here. All the inner part. We must clean all this inner part and then we will marinate it. Okay, now I do the tear out. I tear this all out. Okay, and the chicken I will bring to wash again. Okay, stay tuned for the next step. Okay, the chicken already washed. It's clean now, very clean. Okay, so we just thaw it. Now we thaw it. We thaw it unnecessary vein. We thaw it away. We pull it away. Okay, this is very nice. Okay, you see this? This one, you got to take it out. Take it out. Okay, you see that? Some people don't know. This one is hiding there. Okay, this is the blood. The blood, chicken blood. We don't want this. We don't want this. Okay, you can see the bone is coming out very clearly. So we marinate until the bone, so it's very tasteful. Okay, the same procedure. We clean it like this. Okay, clean it like this. We don't want the chicken blood. Okay, now you can see it's very clean. Okay, and you take the tissue, just wipe it. Wipe it out. Okay, it's dry. Alright, so here a lot of chicken breast, very thick. So we make it thinner than this. So the marinade, it will go in and very flavorful. Okay, this part we take out. You can do it fried. Okay, do your next menu for the fried, or can fry with vegetables. This part is very thick. We thin it over like this. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, now it's quite ready. We open it up here a bit. Here we open up a bit. Over the bone we open up a bit. Yeah, this is the leg. The leg we just open it out a bit over here. Okay, like that. The same thing. We open it up a bit, the leg, so the marinade can go in. Okay, that's good. Okay, it's time to do the marinade ingredient. Stay tuned for the next step. Okay, now it's all about the ingredient for the marinade grilled chicken Korea. So we need a coriander seed, we need a black pepper, a few cloves here, and a garlic, also a hands full of chilies. This one will go to the blender with the garlic and the chilies, also the tomato sauce. Okay, first of all we need to pound this dry item in the mortar pounder. Okay, the dry item all is going out and down here. The clove, black pepper, and also the coriander seed. So we make sure we grind until it's become powder. Okay. Okay, the marinade paste is ready. You can see this. The red is the chilies. Yeah, the black pepper is here. The black one, black pepper. This is a garlic blender with chili, and also our pound mortar item is the clove, coriander seed. Okay, this one we will use to marinate the chicken. This is the Korea style marinade. Okay, now we want to marinate the chicken. Firstly, we pour it down here. Pour it all pour it. Pour it over. Okay, you see this? This is the top part. Okay, the top part. Then we will flip over to the other side. Okay, it's time to flip over it. This is the one. Okay, here you go. Okay, we need this. All thoroughly put it. Okay, just like that. Wipe it all over. Don't miss any place, because the marinade is very important for the flavor here. The armpit, they call it. Okay, all must go thoroughly. Okay, almost done. Okay, after the top part, we need to massage the chicken to let the marinade gravy all go thoroughly. We massage the chicken. Okay, massage all the chicken so the ingredient of this marinade will go in. Will be tasteful. Okay, flip it over. Okay, see? Now we massage it. Okay, all the bone here into the marinade item. Under the skin. Under the skin, we want it. Yeah, see? Under the skin. We want it marinade all go under the skin, so the chicken will be taste very nice. Okay, here also under the skin. All under the skin. Massage it. Okay, all under the skin. Okay, should be ready. So we will leave this for 2 hours. Leave it for 2 hours to absorb all the marinade things in the chicken. Okay, we will keep this chicken for about 2 hours to marinate like this, and we will wrap it. Don't let the air in. Okay, we'll marinate this for 2 hours. Stay tuned for the next step into the oven and grill. Okay, we are back. The marinade chicken is about an hour or more. Okay, it's time for it to go into the oven. So I open it up, wrap it with foil, check it out, the marinade. This foil you don't throw away, you just flip it. You just flip it to the tray and bring to the oven for grill. Wow, gorgeously. Okay, this foil you just like that. Just make it like a bowl plate. Like this. Okay, like this. Then you put the chicken here on it. Okay, I will transfer the chicken over here. Okay, here we go. Wow. And the sauce, don't forget, you just pour the sauce over here. And then you leave some. You leave some of the sauce for the brush over it. So I have standby the brush over here. The brush is over here already. Then we stand by, and now we gotta go in that chicken into the oven. Okay, chicken, you go into the oven, 220 Celsius. We put at the center deck. The best, yeah, center deck is the best. So both will be covered, Alright, here you go. Okay, for grill is time grill is 60 minutes, 1 hour. Okay, just leave it at that, and then we come back to see that grilled chicken. Okay, we take out the chicken and we do flip the chicken, and also we do brush, we brush the chicken with the leftover marinade sauce. Okay, we brush it all over. Okay, brush it all over, and we put back into the oven. Start all over again. About 15 minutes, it should be ready. Now we go for the lower deck. Alright, here you go, the gorgeous chicken. Here we go in again. Another 15 minutes is done. Alright, stay tuned for the next step. Okay, the grilled Korea chicken is ready to abort. Wow, 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 look at this, gorgeously done. The grill is gorgeously done. Look at that. That's the gravy on the bottom. This tell that the chicken is tenderly grilled. Wow, look at this textures. Full of the marinade things here. Okay, so I will transfer this to the plates, and we will eat this together. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Yourdaily Mealideas. Alright, stay tuned for the cutting chickens, and we want to enjoy this together. Stay tuned. And now I'm going to transfer this whole chicken to the plates. Look at this gorgeous Korea spicy grilled chicken. Wow, wow, wow. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The spicy Korea chicken is done. Perfectly grilled, 1 hour time. So I can't wait anymore. My mouth is watering. You look at the chicken grill, it's tremendously gorgeous. Okay, I can't wait for this part. This part is my favorite part. Drumstick. Okay. Look at the drumstick. Look at the meat. Look at the meat, is so tender. It's so tender. Okay. That chicken, spicy, sweetness, all the herbs. Wow. I got this sticky rice here. I want to eat with the sticky rice also. It's a bit Thai style or Malay style also. They like to eat with the grilled chicken. Look at this, the meat. Just put the meat here, and then I will eat with the sticky rice. Oh wow, this is highly recommend. You must take this recipe and you do it. Enjoy it with your families. This is spicy Korea chicken grill. Alright, stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.